Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make 3D picture in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu, choose the picture option, then choose picture from our file. Now I am select the image and click insert. Then resize the image. Now we want to make the picture 3D. Go to the picture format menu, select the picture effect drop down menu and select the 3D rotation. You can add any rotation. Now we can see we make a picture 3D very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.